Today I'm making apple juice. I have my press with all the equipment. Behind me I have a cooking apple tree, and then I have a grandson who is kindly helping me. He has collected all the apples that have fallen in the black bucket in front of you.
And I'm called Apple.
Even though it's a small apple tree, I have collected the apples over the last couple of months and cut them up and frozen them. My grandson is now spooning the apples into the muslin bag which is inside the press. I used to use a food mixer to cut the apples up so that the juice would come out easier, but I find that freezing it softens up the whole apple, and the juice is no significant difference in amount. Now I'm going to close up the bag and put the wooden pieces on, and then I shall get my grandson to turn the press to squeeze out all the juice. So these go on the top, and then I've got some more wood here that goes on like that. And you can see the juice has started to come out. Hopefully with no spillage. Okay, stop.
I'm gonna do it.
Twist this round, and then the grandson is going to turn it around with a bit of strength using the pole.
He did a mistake.
Now, okay, so this is going to go that way, grandson, okay, that way? Alright, you turn twisting and you can see the apple just coming out. Come round, you can come around and do it all the way round. Yeah, and it's going to, you're going to round and round until you can do it no more. And then I might need to do a bit of strength on it.
I can still do
Okay,
it.
stop. So we'll do it together, George. I'll do it around here. You see if you can get it right round to me. Again, it's quite, oh, careful.
I'm fine.
Okay.
It just moves a little bit. When I do it, I'll hold it.
Well done. Stop now. We might need to stop just because the juice is getting near the top. Natural honey made by my son-in-law Ben, and we're now going to taste it. We'll have a little taste each. Okay, there you are, grandson, and here you are, granddad.
Cheers.
Cheers. Very nice. Might be a bit more honey next time.
A bit sour.
More honey next time, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll say when. Carry on, yeah. Stop! Okay, that's 2 spoons of honey we put in there, okay? Oh, does that feel? No, it doesn't quite fit, does it? Okay, let's
I want a
stick
bit
in
of
shape.
stuff. Can I have a spoonful of honey to lip? Can I have a spoonful of honey?
Right, here we go.
Why are you filming me?
You ready to taste it? See if it's a bit more sweeter?
That was just my mum, guys.
A bit sweet, isn't it? Mm.
Maybe